Hi, today I want to make cinnamon rolls. I recently had some cinnamon rolls at work, and she told me, the person who brought them, that they were literally the hot roll mix by Pillsbury. So I thought I would try. So we're going to begin with the box of Pillsbury hot roll mix. I'm using Baker's Joy to spray my bowl and prepare my bowl for the dough once I combine the ingredients in the box with the yeast that comes with it. So I've added the ingredients of the yeast and the contents of the box in the bowl. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar to that flour and yeast mixture. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of softened butter, as well as the hot water, which is 1 cup, and 1 egg. And then I'm going to combine all of those ingredients. Now, I realized I probably could have mixed my egg separately, but I just added it. And I've combined all those ingredients until it's become like a soft dough. I've transferred the dough to a floured surface, and I'm going to knead that dough for 5 minutes lightly. We're going to just knead the dough lightly. And then I'm going to transfer that dough into the prepared bowl and cover it while I'm making the cinnamon filling. So we're going to begin with 1 cup of packed brown sugar. I'm also adding 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Next, I have 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon. And then you can add nutmeg if you like, but I didn't to this recipe. I'm going to mix it all together. I'm adding butter to this. So this is 1/2 cup of softened butter to the cinnamon and sugar mix. And I'm going to mix it until it's almost like a paste. And once all the ingredients are combined, I'm going to sit that aside and return to my dough that's been rising for the last, in this case, 25-30 minutes. It's now doubled in size, and I'm going to take that dough and place it on another floured surface. I'm going to go ahead and knead the dough a few more minutes. Next, I'm going to flour my rolling pin with a little bench flour. That's just a little flour that I've placed on my cabinet. And I'm going to go ahead and roll out the cinnamon roll dough. So the goal is to roll it out so it's about a 1/4 inch thick. And then once it's thin enough, I'll then begin to take my spoon and brush on the cinnamon filling that's going to be inside of the cinnamon roll. As you can see, I have spread out all of this cinnamon filling, and I'm now beginning to roll my dough and filling up into a long log. Okay, and so just like this. Now I'm taking my knife and I'm cutting the rolled log and making what's going to become the cinnamon roll, as you can see. Now, if you have dental floss, you can use that. It's probably a little easier. I didn't have any, so I didn't use it. But it works really well. And this is what it looks like. It's the cinnamon rolls are on a prepared pan with Baker's Joy. I'm then covering those cinnamon rolls and letting them rise. And while they're rising, I'm going to go ahead and make my cream cheese icing. Just 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of softened butter. I've done about 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of half and half, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to bake my cinnamon rolls after I've let them double in size for 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven at 375 degrees. But before I place them in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and baste the cinnamon rolls with a little bit of half and half. Okay, and then we're going to bake. And when they're done, they'll look like this. I'm going to then add my cream cheese, icing, and I'm going to serve these warm. And that is my foray into cinnamon rolls. They were pretty good.